Hi there, welcome to eWorkspace, a virtual office platform for companies to bring all their distributed team at one place and work together from anywhere around the world. Let me show you how your virtual office will look. So this will be the first page, uh, which can be highly personalized. Here in place of eWorkspace logo, your own logo will be there with the unique URL. Since it's a URL based system, so you and your employees doesn't require to install this in your laptop. They can access it with their unique URL login screen with your own logo. Once they click on this employee check-in, they use their email ID and password and click on check-in. So once they click on check-in, their check-in time has been stored at the backend for attendance purposes. So once they come to this team floor, as you can see the user flow of the team floor, we've tried to replicate the office experience. So you can see the cabins for manager, you can see the open floor for employees, you can see conferences for meeting. As you can see, please click on seat to ensure real-time communication with the team. So first you have to click on any seat. Let's just say I'm being a manager, I'll just go and click here in the cabin 3 and my profile will get appeared, and everybody who is there in the team floor will be able to see me that okay, Rahul has come to the floor, and at the same time I'm being a manager, I'll also be able to see all of my teammates that who all are there in the office and who's not present yet. And at the same time I can also see that who is active on the laptop and who is not active on the laptop. So you can see this green profile which says he is active on the laptop, and the orange profile says he's not active on the laptop, and in fact you can see the timeline as well from how long he has not been active. So in this case he's not been active from 1 hour 42 minutes. Just say I want to communicate with my colleague Anurag for any communication. I'll just go and click here in his seat. So I can even open a camera with my colleague and I can speak with him. Hi Anurag, hi, how are you?
Hi.
So
All is fine.
since we have a call in conference one, let's just go to conference one for a meeting, and we can have a call there.
Sure,
So I
sure.
I can go into the conference room and I can have a meeting with my team as well. So I can have a conversation with my team with both video and audio. Somebody wants to stop a camera, they can close the camera and they can have a communication accordingly in the conference room with audio and video mute. Even we can share a screen with our teammates as well. Just have to click on this and we'll be able to share a screen as well. So this is the conference room. Now if I want to have a communication with my team, I just go and click there and I get connected to Sachin.
Hello. Hello.
Hi Sachin, hi, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
Good. So now I can go back to my own cabin. Now if somebody wants to connect with me, he can just come to cabin 3 and he'll get connected with him. I can even even lock my cabin so that nobody will disturb me. I can even chat with my teammates. I just have to click there and I'll be able to communicate with them. Even there are a lot of other features as well, which can help you out in monitoring your team by just clicking on this view button, and you'll be able to see your team's attendance, who all are there in your office and who is not present yet, their active hours in their laptop. You can even check their task, assigned task. If there is any assigned task available, you can by just clicking on this view button and clicking on this by task. You can even check your teammates completed work, your own work, and your overall team's pending work. Overall pending works are there, in progress work if there is any, completed work. So overall work has been completed by teammates on time or before time, and even you can see the work which has been completed, but it took more than the deadline. So you can see it was supposed to be completed in 2 hours, but it took 9 hours 41 minutes. So that's where this orange color combination says. You can even export this report in the Excel format. This will be your virtual office, uh, where you'll be able to communicate with your teammates without uh, any invitation link or any video call, audio call required. You can simply go and select the seat, and you will be able to communicate with any team members. So that's the virtual office system. And to launch your virtual office, it is as simple as creating your WhatsApp group. You just have to go and fill up some details and add your teammates, and just go to the team floor. So if you have any questions or any queries, you can just let us know, and we'll be able to help you out in that. Thank you.